First introduced to the New Zealand market by KLC, MicroPro timber treatment technology protects against fungal decay, borer and insect attack. It also significantly improves corrosion performance compared to other timber treatments. This innovative way to pressure treat New Zealand timber is also the greener option. When compared to other timber treatments, MicroPro was the first and only wood treatment to be certified as an environmentally preferable product. By using MicroPro technology, the KLC products are able to maintain their natural wood appearance. These products are suitable for use with code-approved fasteners and hardware, stainless and hot-dipped galv, and approved for aluminium contact. MicroPro treated timber has low VOC emissions and holds the Green Guard Children in Schools certification. By using MicroPro technology, the KLC products are able to maintain their natural wood appearance. These products are suitable for use with code-approved fasteners and hardware, stainless and hot-dipped galv, and approved for aluminium contact. The timber is New Zealand and Australian standards compliant and suitable for interior, exterior or in-ground use. MicroPro treated wood is first pressure treated in a controlled environment where it is submerged in a solution to help against fungal decay, borer and insect attack. Used in both the Gen Lam and Generation 2 brands, MicroPro treated timber is New Zealand Building Standard compliant and when used as recommended is safe to use in households, schools and playgrounds. Used within KLC's larger wood treatment production process, MicroPro technology is a vital way KLC is innovating and leading the way in the timber treatment industry to provide better products to architects, builders and homeowners. To find out more or take the next step with KLC, make sure to watch our other product videos or visit us online for full details including specifications. KLC, naturally better.